Start first by uploading your file. SIwave supports so many formats in the import, like IPC2581 or ODB++. It also supports EDB. EDB, if you have Altium, you can install ANSYS add-in. We prefer the IPC2581 or the ODB++ because it's easy to handle. Once you upload the file, go to Home, check your stackup, make sure the stackup is correct. You can also check your components, capacitors, inductors, and resistors. Make sure that you have them all and they are all active. This is very important. You can also check your pad stack. This is for VS definitions, different. You can also check your layout, one layer at a time. You can check the traces, you can check the planes, you can check the vias, you can check the circuit elements RLC, or you can check any discrete component. First thing you need to do is to create pin groups. So we want to use the PDN. This is the solver we would like to use. Will do PI analysis between two components. So you need to go to these components and make sure to group all the pins, go to tools, and make sure to create pin groups. So you click pin group, you select the component. This is the component. Now you select the power planes that you would like to group. So we would like to group the 1.2 and the ground. Create pin groups. Next we select the VRM. You have only one component. These are the two groups. And create pin group. Now we go to simulation, launch our PDN Channel Builder. Now you need to specify the dice. So we're gonna select this one and we say yes, we want it to be included. Channel components, we don't have channel components. Now the VRM setup, you establish, you select the VRM. I'm gonna get simulation. This is the simulation setup. So we want it from 1 to 1 gig. Notice here I don't need to define ports. I just need to do the setup, the frequency, and you go OK. These are the results. You can also add the results of standard SYZ solver, and they are right on top of each other. You can see both of them, the red and the blue.